Did you notice more hair on your brush than usual? Or you notice clumps in the shower drain? Here's the surprising reason your hair might be vanishing. It's called hair loss. Now, in today's video, we will discuss common causes of hair loss, prevention, and remedy. Now, hair loss can be a frustrating experience, I know, but understanding the causes can help you to take control of the process. Now, let's break down the 10 causes of hair loss, how to prevent them, and remedies to restore your locks to their full glory. Let's start. The first one we'll discuss is surprising, right? Stress. Now, just the way stress creates havoc on your body and you feel uneasy, it also does the same to your scalp, to your hair. And stress can cause deficiency in certain nutrients in the body. As a result, your hair may fail to grow. There's no prevention for this. It's only remedy. The remedy is to try to rest. If you notice hair loss more than usual, try to trace it back and see how you can give your body the rest it deserves. However, massaging with essential oil after your rest will be necessary in order to improve blood circulation. The second bit is nutrition. It is often said that you are what you eat. It is true. Hair growth, just like skin, it comes from in and out. So whatever you take in is reflected out. What are some of the things that you need to incorporate into your meal? Now, eating healthy is very essential. I'm not saying we should start eating grass, but there are some nutrients we can consciously work on to get to improve our diet. And three of such is biotin, iron, and a lot of protein. A deficiency in any of these, especially biotin, can lead to thinning or hair loss. So the prevention is to eat a balanced diet rich in leafy greens, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds. Seeds are very essential. You can incorporate seeds like fenugreek. They are very good. So that's also the remedy. Incorporate supplements like biotin or iron after consulting your doctor. But if you can incorporate this food into your diet, it will help. The third bit is hormonal imbalance. Now, as women, we go through different phases in our cycle. We know about PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, or postpartum hormonal changes. All of these can trigger hair loss. To prevent this, regular checkups with your doctor and a healthy lifestyle can help balance your hormones. Now, the remedy for hormonal imbalance is treatment with minoxidil. It can encourage regrowth, while a tailored diet can support hormonal health. Again, consult with your doctor to ensure you are taking the right treatment. The fourth is overstyling. Now, we want our braids, our hair, our whatever we make to look good. Hence, we use heated tools, your coiler, your stretcher, All of these make our hair beautiful, but at the same time, they can weaken our hair strand. What is the recommended protocol to reduce overstyling? Reducing the heat we use for our hair can help. Give your hair a break from heat, or even using tight braids. After braid, give your hair like a rest phase so that the hair can recuperate in order to help the growth of the hair. It's also necessary to use deep conditioning treatments to restore moisture and elasticity. While you're styling your hair, try to use heat protectants. I cannot stress this enough. Heat protectants help to cover the strands, each of them, in order to reduce the effects of the heat on the hair. Now let's go to the fifth, which is genetics. There's little we can do about this because it's how we are made. So if hair loss runs in your family, you may experience androgenetic alopecia, also known as pattern baldness. Now, if this is true in your case, what can you do? Start early with gentle hair care routines and avoid harsh products. And also consider FDA approved treatments like minoxidil, or consult a dermatologist for advanced options like PRP therapy. Always consult your doctor for any of this. I'm not a doctor in this field, but I'm here to guide you. Now let's go to the sixth, which is medical condition. Sometimes some drugs, some medications for ache, for depression, for high blood pressure can cause hair thinning. How can you prevent this? Always check the label and discuss potential side effects with your doctor before starting a new medication. Ask your doctor about alternative medications or solutions to minimize hair loss. Now, the next bit is environmental factors. For many persons that live in area with high pollution, or if you stay in my part of the world, hard water or UV rays can damage your hair and scalp. How can you prevent this? Unfortunately, there's little you can do, but you can do a little bit by covering your hair when exposed to harsh environments and use UV protective products. It's stated in the product that this is UV, just the way your skin have sunscreen, just the way your skin has sunscreen, there are some products that have UV protective protection in them. So if you you live in an area with hard water, you can clarify your scalp regularly with apple cider vinegar. Rinse it. Please do not do this often because apple cider vinegar in excess can affect the pH of your hair. You could also use a specialized shampoo for this. The last bit, number 10, improper hair care. This one is we using our hand to cause hair loss to ourselves. So what do? We skip washes, we over shampoo. You see, this our hair is tender, our scalp is tender, or we use the wrong products. So while washing your hair and you are scrubbing as if it's your hair, if you scrub it too much, you pull in some hair as you go along, as well as you are reducing the oil, the essential oil that is supposed to cause hair growth to be reduced. As a result, it leads to hair loss. That is it. If you're suffering from hair loss, my heart goes to you, and we hope that this process, if you notice any of them, you can treat it on time. But if I am experiencing hair loss, you know what I'll do? If it becomes something serious, why I notice it, I would go to a dermatologist, because they can provide solution while it's still in its early phase. A stitch in time saves 9. Thank you very much. We'll also meet you some other time. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with us. Bye.